bright cutie. Every student matters.
Hello students, we are going to start with new chapter Symmetry. It is very important geometrical concept. It is very commonly seen in nature and it is commonly used in almost every field of activity. It is used in architecture, engineering, and in nature also we see symmetry sometimes. Like we can consider leaves of a tree. They also follow some symmetry. Similarly, flower petals, they also follow some symmetry. Now for example, we can have this also. So here are the three examples of symmetry. Now see the first one. It is from architecture. See here, consider this line, this blue one. Now the parts on the left and the right hand side of this line, they are exactly same. Similarly for this car also, parts along this line are exactly same. Same in this case also. Here also parts above and below the line are exactly same. Now let us discuss what is line symmetry. Line symmetry. A figure has line symmetry if there is a line about which the figure may be folded so that the two parts of the figure will coincide. It's such that if in a figure there is any line along which if it is folded so that both the parts coincide each other, that is known as line symmetry.
Look at the animation.
A figure is said to have a line symmetry if there is a line about which the figure may be folded so that the two parts of the figure coincide. This line is called the line of symmetry or the axis of symmetry. Here, if we fold these figures along the dotted lines, the two parts of each figure coincide. So, the dotted line is the line of symmetry of the figure. A figure may have more than one line of symmetry. Here, each dotted line is the axis of symmetry of the figures. For example, the rectangle has two lines of symmetry and the equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry. Figure of a square has four lines of symmetry. When an object is placed in front of a mirror, then the object and its image form a symmetrical shape, the mirror line being the line of symmetry. You already know that a polygon is said to be regular if all its sides are of equal length and all its angles are of equal measure. A regular polygon has as many lines of symmetry as it has sides. A three-sided regular polygon or an equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry. A four-sided regular polygon or a square has four lines of symmetry. A five-sided regular polygon or the pentagon has five lines of symmetry. A six-sided regular polygon or a hexagon has six lines of symmetry.
Now let's try this. We are having two figures. They are exactly same. But here dotted lines are different. In the first one we are having this one as the dotted line. In the second one we are having this line as a dotted line. Now the question here is the dotted line a mirror line? What about the first figure? What do you think for this figure? Is this dotted line a mirror line? Can we say that one half of this figure is mirror reflection of the another half? No. So it means this is not a mirror line, hence this is not line of symmetry of this figure. Now let's move to the second one, this one. Now what do you think about this line? Is the dotted line a mirror line? Yes, this one is a mirror line because we can see here that one half of the figure is mirror reflection of the another half along this line. If this line is considered as mirror, then one half is reflection of the another half. So it means yes, this is a mirror line. Hence we can say this dotted line is the line of symmetry also. Now let's try this game, the punching game. So what we need for this, we need a sheet of paper, and what we can do, we can fold this sheet into two halves and then we can punch a hole in it, and then we will open that sheet, we will find a figure like this. Now this line of fold is line of symmetry. As we can see, the two holes about the symmetry fold. As we can see here, these are two holes, these are symmetric. These holes are symmetric around this line. Similarly, you can try to make hole at any other place also, or in fact you can make more than one holes also, and it is not necessary we have to take only this line as line of symmetry. If suppose we are having a sheet of paper like this, then you can take this line also line of symmetry, we can take this also line of symmetry, we can take this one also, or we can take this one also. We can consider any line of symmetry, then fold the paper and then punch the holes. You can punch one hole or you can punch more than one holes also, and when you will open the sheet you will find that the holes are symmetric and the line of fold is line of symmetry of that figure.